What's good, YouTube? You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, Rockstar Trey. And today, I'm about to do a nighttime POV drive. You know what I'm saying? About to go chill with my girlfriend for a little minute. So I'm just going to show y'all the, you know what I'm saying, drive. We're going to try to cut up, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Let me get y'all a little cold start, though. I ain't gonna lie, that wasn't no cold start. That was really a warm start. Really about to just go pick my girl up. We about to go chill, talk about some things, you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm on probation right now. Y'all already got booked. I can't get no tickets. You know what I'm saying? We gotta go ACCs. Hey, I just raised me a Camaro the other day, bro. I smoked them. But he had like he turning actually. He turning. That's a bet. I feel like that's an A6. I'm about to say, I know that ain't the same one from last time. I don't know, but that sound like I don't know if y'all can hear it, but that sound like a V6 or a 4-cylinder with a muffler delete. It don't sound like no V8, bro. It's loud though, but it don't sound like no V8 though, bro. You know what I'm saying? We can't do nothing too crazy. We gotta watch for the cops before we hit this mother. Let's get all we gotta do, man. Oh yeah, we gonna get a little underpass pull too. Oh, that Camaro. Not Camaro, that was a Mustang. Alright, usually I be in my paddle shifting mode, but we cool. Fun thing about that is I could do that without, you know what I'm saying, speeding. You know what I'm saying? I can still have my fun without speeding.